Welcome, here I've got SONY Xperia 1 and 2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more options. We can do it by tapping on this button in the right corner. As you can see, it gives us access to advanced camera settings. And now let's slide a little bit down to the command settings, and as you can see here at the second position we have the save location button. So by using this we can turn it off and turn it on like that. So this is how it works here. And also the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we really want to save the location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And now let's go back to the picture preview here. So for now this is the picture in the gallery. To get access and check our location of the picture, we have to just simply slide up, and these are the details of the picture. As you can see here we have the map with the location. So greetings from Krakow, this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.